Looking for the latest Helium 10 coupon code? Right now, there's a limited time deal that gives you 35% off the Helium 10 Platinum plan for 6 months, making it one of the best Helium 10 offers available. To claim this offer, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. The available discount is activated automatically through the special offer link. Now let's talk about why so many sellers use Helium 10. Helium 10 is one of the most popular platforms for Amazon FBA businesses. It combines Amazon product research, Amazon keyword research, competitor analysis, listing optimization, inventory tracking, and business analytics into a single dashboard. Whether you're watching a Helium 10 tutorial for the first time or already selling on Amazon, the platform helps you make smarter decisions using real marketplace data. Tools like Blackbox and X-Ray help with Amazon product research, while Cerebro and Magnet are widely used for Amazon keyword research and listing optimization. If you'd like to explore these tools yourself, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to access the latest Helium 10 deal. As part of this Helium 10 review, it's also worth mentioning that Helium 10 continues to expand beyond traditional Amazon tools, including TikTok Shop and social commerce insights that help sellers discover new trends and opportunities. Quick note, the link in the description automatically applies the best available discount for both Platinum and Diamond plans. If you're ready to save on Helium 10 and claim the latest Helium 10 coupon code, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and get started today.